The Iraq War was a conflict that took place in Iraq from 2003 to 2011. It was a war of choice launched by the United States, with the stated aim of disarming Iraq of weapons of mass destruction, WMDs, and of freeing the Iraqi people from the dictatorship of Saddam Hussein. The US and its allies invaded Iraq on March 20, 2003, and Saddam Hussein was overthrown within 3 weeks. However, the conflict did not end with the fall of Saddam Hussein's regime. Insurgent groups, including al-Qaeda in Iraq, emerged and began attacking coalition forces and civilians. The US and its allies struggled to stabilize the country and rebuild its infrastructure amid widespread violence and corruption. The war also resulted in the displacement of millions of Iraqis and the destabilization of the region. The Iraq War was highly controversial, with many arguing that it was based on faulty intelligence about Iraq's WMDs and that it had exacerbated sectarian tensions in the country. The war also strained relations between the US and its allies, and it had a significant impact on US domestic politics. The last US troops left Iraq in 2011, and the country is still facing challenges related to the aftermath of the conflict.